If you've ever lost your Chrome history, accidentally cleared it, or closed tabs you meant to keep, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore Chrome history step by step. We'll cover the fastest ways to check your history, how to use Google Account Sync to recover activity, and how to bring back recently closed tabs in just a few clicks. These methods are simple, beginner-friendly, and can save you a lot of time if you need to find an old website or reopen a page you were using before. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's start with the easiest method, checking your Chrome history directly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, press Ctrl and H on your keyboard. This is the shortcut that opens your browsing history page instantly. If your history is still there, you'll be able to see a list of websites you visited recently. From here, you can scroll through older pages, search for a specific site, or reopen any page you want. This is the first thing you should try, because if the history has not been deleted, recovery is very easy. You may even be able to find pages from earlier sessions that you forgot to bookmark. Now, if your local Chrome history is missing or was deleted, don't panic yet, because the next method may still help. If you had Chrome Sync turned on, Google may have saved some of your browsing activity in your account. To check this, open a new tab or a different browser and go to myactivity.google.com. Then sign in with the same Google account you use in Chrome. Once you're signed in, look through your Google activity. Depending on your sync settings, you may be able to recover browsing activity, search history, and even visited websites that were tied to your account. This can be especially useful if your browser history was cleared on one device, but your Google account still has records saved online. Keep in mind that this won't always restore everything exactly as it appeared in Chrome, but it's one of the best options if sync was enabled. Now, let's move to another very useful trick. If you just closed a tab or window by mistake, you can often restore it immediately. Press Ctrl, Shift, and T on your keyboard. Chrome will reopen the most recently closed tab. If you press it again, it can bring back the tab before that, and so on. This is one of the fastest ways to recover pages you were just using. It works for recently closed tabs and sometimes even entire windows, depending on your browsing session. So if you accidentally close something important, don't start searching from scratch. Just try this shortcut first. Also, if you're using Chrome on multiple devices, sign in to the same Google account on each one and check whether History Sync is active. Sometimes a page you opened on your phone or another computer may still be accessible through your synced activity or recently closed session. And if you want to keep your browsing organized in the future, consider bookmarking important pages, using tab groups, or turning on sync so your browsing activity is easier to access later. The main thing to remember is that Chrome history can often be restored in different ways, depending on whether it was simply closed, synced to your Google account, or still stored in your browser. So always start with Chrome history, then check Google My Activity, and finally use the recently closed tab shortcut if needed. If this tutorial helped you restore your Chrome history, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.